Welcome to the Keto Blueprint, your complete guide to transitioning to a fat-fueled lifestyle. We will walk you through clearing out the old, shopping smart, and setting up your kitchen for success. Chapter 1. Unlocking your metabolism. This shift moves your body from burning glucose to utilizing fat as its primary fuel, leading to a state of nutritional ketosis, where stored fat becomes your stable, virtually unlimited energy reserve. Understanding the science of ketone bodies. When carbohydrate intake drops, your liver converts fatty acids into ketones. Unlike the spikes and crashes of glucose, ketones provide a steady, reliable energy stream, even fueling the brain more efficiently. Let's separate myths from reality. Contrary to outdated dogma, healthy, natural fats are essential for hormonal and cardiovascular health, while the low-fat era actually contributed to metabolic issues by replacing fats with sugar. Keto supports various goals, such as weight loss and better blood sugar control. However, everyone's metabolism is unique. Always consult a healthcare professional before making major dietary changes, especially if managing medical conditions. Chapter 2. The Great Kitchen Cleanout. Your environment dictates your success. Before stocking up, you must remove the obstacles, those high-carb foods that trigger insulin spikes and derail your progress. Ban the anti-nutrients. This means clearing out grains, starches, hidden sugars found in juices and sauces, and legumes, which all contain too many net carbs to fit within a strict keto framework. An oil and fat overhaul is essential. Remove processed seed and vegetable oils, as well as trans fats found in margarine. Replace them with stable, natural fats that support your health and reduce inflammation. Become a strategic shopper. Always check total carbs, scan the ingredient list for hidden sugars, and be wary of products with health halos, like granola bars or low-fat dressings, which are often just carb traps. Chapter 3. Building your keto foundation. A solid plan relies on whole, nutrient-dense foods. Prioritize fats, keep protein moderate to maintain muscle, and source your carbohydrates exclusively from vegetables and select fruits. Embrace the power of animal proteins. Choose fatty cuts like ribeye, bone-in, skin-on poultry, and uncured, nitrate-free pork. Grass-fed and pasture-raised options provide the best nutrient profiles. Seafood is a keto superpower. Salmon, mackerel, and sardines are excellent sources of omega-3s. Whenever possible, choose wild-caught fish, as they generally have better nutrient density than farmed options. Eggs are the ultimate keto staple. They offer a perfect fat-to-protein ratio, are packed with essential nutrients, and remain one of the most budget-friendly protein sources for your kitchen. The Green Revolution. Incorporate non-starchy vegetables like dark leafy greens and cruciferous options such as broccoli and cauliflower. They provide fiber and vital nutrients without threatening your state of ketosis. Finally, choose the right fats for your cooking method. Use avocado oil for high-heat searing, extra virgin olive oil for low-heat dressings, and rendered animal fats like tallow for traditional cooking flavor. Coconut oil is a unique MCT-rich fuel that bypasses normal digestion to provide energy quickly. Choose virgin, cold-pressed versions to preserve quality. When it comes to dairy, think full fat. Butter, ghee, and natural cheeses are your best choices, while skim milk and flavored yogurts should be avoided due to hidden sugars. Add variety with keto-friendly fruit and seeds. Avocados, small portions of berries, and seeds like chia or flax are great for added fiber and essential nutrients. Chapter 4 focuses on preparation. Your shopping list is your roadmap to success, and meal prepping is your best defense against making poor food choices in a pinch. Master your electrolytes. Since ketosis has a natural diuretic effect, it is critical to stay hydrated and keep your levels of sodium, magnesium, and potassium balanced. The power of preparation cannot be overstated. By planning, prepping, and packing your meals, you eliminate the decision fatigue that often leads back to unhealthy habits. Chapter 5. Navigating the grocery store. Learn to distinguish between net and total carbs, and remember that whole foods always trump processed products labeled as keto. Get creative with substitutes. Cauliflower for potatoes, zoodles for pasta, and nut flours for baking allow you to enjoy familiar textures while maintaining your low-carb goals. Always prioritize quality in your fats. From extra virgin olive oil to avocado oil, choosing the right sources and storing them properly keeps your kitchen healthy. When it comes to protein, moderation is the key. Rotate your sources like beef, poultry, and seafood to ensure you get a broad spectrum of nutrients. Chapter 6 covers setting up your kitchen. Organize your space for visibility, batch cook your proteins to save time, and invest in a few key tools like a food scale. Dining out or socializing doesn't mean breaking keto. Use the bunless strategy, opt for salads, and choose your drinks wisely, sticking to dry wines or spirits. The keto flu is a common but temporary phase. Support your body through it with adequate sodium, magnesium, and consistent water intake as you adapt. Measure your success with data. Tracking your ketone levels and observing your energy trends can help you tailor your macros to your specific needs over time. Welcome to your new life. What starts as a diet becomes a sustainable way of living that offers longevity, sharper focus, and metabolic freedom for years to come. Brought to you by the Series of Thoughts team as part of the Health and Wellness, Diet and Nutrition series.